Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance Grid Bot. A grid bot is an automated trading strategy designed to capitalize on market volatility. It works by placing a series of buy and sell orders at incrementally increasing and decreasing prices within a specified range. This allows you to automatically buy low and sell high, potentially generating profits from sideways or fluctuating markets without constant manual intervention. It's a powerful tool for consistent gains. To begin, navigate to the grid trading section on Binance. You will first select a trading pair, such as Ethereum versus US dollar Tether. Next, define your price range by setting both an upper and lower limit where the bot will operate. Then, decide on the number of grids. More grids means smaller profit per grid, but more frequent trades. Finally, input the total investment amount you wish to allocate to the bot, ensuring you have sufficient funds. Understanding key parameters is crucial for an effective strategy. The number of grids directly influences your profit per grid. For instance, 20 grids might yield a 1% profit per trade. Always set a stop-loss order to protect your capital if the market moves unexpectedly against your position. Conversely, a take-profit order can automatically close the bot once a certain profit target, perhaps 10%, is reached, securing your earnings. Effective management is key to long-term success with grid bots. Periodically check your bot's performance and make adjustments as market trends evolve. If the price consistently breaks out of your defined range, it might be time to modify the parameters or even stop the bot. You can choose to reinvest the profits back into the bot to compound your gains or withdraw them. Remember, active monitoring helps optimize your strategy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.